I don't know, that was some kind of
That was like a weird tangent of finding your place. Yeah, we could continue to talk about that.
Well, we're problem solving, you know, because we tried using the magnets and or putting the magnetic tape with the magnet pile to try and.
It's names.
But, yeah,
you put milk with mayonnaise. It's just it makes sense. Magnets and magnets.
Try something out. It doesn't work. Try it again. Maybe it works. But you know, it's it's like problem solving. You gotta ask the right questions, right? And in order to ask the right questions, you gotta kind of have an idea which kind of questions you want to ask. So if you want to know which kind of questions you want to ask, you gotta ask yourself even more questions, like what do you want, and like how are you gonna get there, and like what kind of challenges or obstacles are gonna stand in your way, that kind of thing.
And that's a key thing, especially because that's another dynamic, is are you working alone, are you working with someone? Because when you have a group, there's a whole bunch of problems that are introduced that don't exist when you're working alone. Like when you're working alone, you're accountable to yourself and your own work.
Yeah.
But there are days, I work graveyards, I could be tired, early in the week I won't come in. This is a new problem based on an outside problem, has nothing to do with music. And you have problems like the kid is sick, or my car is broken, or I'm at work right now.
Yeah.
But then when you're alone, you have problems with, am I motivated? Do I want to do this? Is this cat big?
Yeah.
Is this cat as fat as I think it is?
Did this cat really just drink all that beer?
Did that cat drink all that beer?
Yeah. It's but yeah, it's a completely different set of challenges, because if you were working alone, a lot of times some of the questions come down as to like, who do I need to contact to like actually help make this happen? Because maybe you can't do it on your own. Maybe you can, but yeah, a lot of times it's like, okay, well, what kind of people can help me with this? So I was like, for example, the last song, next song, this, yeah. Anyways, the one song is I was like, okay, well, I need this style of drums in the first half. So okay, well, maybe Paul can help. So I call Paul. That's, you know, who can help me with this. And same thing, second half, like Paul can't drum on this style of drumming in the second half. Well, he could, but Curtis would be better. So maybe if I called Curtis, do you think maybe, or do I think maybe Curtis could help drum with this one? And I call him up, answers yes. Okay, well, that's great. This track is going to need more than just a single guitar and a vocal and drums. So who's going to play the bass? Am I going to do it? I'm going to do it because I like playing the bass. And then, is there any way that I can add some like extra layers of sound to fill in the sound? Okay, well, maybe there's somebody that can help out with that. So Levente, okay, hey, if I send you some tracks, do you want to take a look? Yeah, sure. So yeah, call up the people, figure out that. That was one of the biggest obstacles in that album. Anyways, as a side thing.
Cody's big on using the go-gadget phone.
Go-gadget phone.
Hey, it's going on, Levente. It's weird when he does it and I hear somebody talking back.
Yeah. But what other? That's what the problem solving is to me. You know, you look at the end first and try and work backwards to like, you know, what's like, you know, the big picture, and then like break it down maybe into chunks, and then figure out like what kind of obstacles and like how you can compartmentalize and arrange them and stuff into the right, you know, in order that it makes sense, that it actually becomes. And as you like break it down even further, like starting from up here, and as you get down to here, things start to look a little bit more attainable, and then you can focus on those things first to get towards where you want to go. It's a process.
He likes the camera.
I like to use the hand gestures on the camera. Maybe if I actually knew a thing about video editing, I could like draw a picture and I could be like, whoop, and then it draws like a little pie chart under my hand. So use your imagination on this one.